Okay, so there is a bird inside my trampoline and we cannot get it out. Cal will videotape me trying to get it out.
Its name is Retard.
Step in so you can see the bird.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, the other way.
What?
Go on. Go on. Go on.
There's the bird. How do you zoom in? Ah!
The knob.
The knob.
This thing. Out, in.
Okay.
Come on, okay. Other way!
Jen, the bird is scaring me. Its name is Retard. Jen, don't poke it with the stick.
There's a freaking hole right there. Reach in. Get in the hole.
Can we just kill it?
Oh my god! Oh my god, you're an idiot. The hole's right here.
What? His name is Retard, I mean.
We named it Retard. Who's gonna name it Bubbles?
It ain't so bubbly. Kill it! Kill it!
Killing the bird?
Why not?
Okay. Stop
Guys, want to get a close
idiot.
look up on it? Yep.
He's gonna have like babies in my freaking
Ew, no!
Yes. It again.
I think it's dead.
No. Should I just kill it or something?
Okay, bye-bye! I'm leaving you on the trampoline with it. Retard, come through the hole!
Alright, come on. Other way. Other way!
Come on, this is the hole. Go through it!
It's gonna bite me and I'm not gonna be happy.
It's just a baby.
Wait, do we have any... Wait, what does birds like that we can feed it?
Bird food?
No, duh, but I don't have... Hamster food!
Look. It pooped on the trampoline and I stepped in it.
Ready, my finger.
It was disgusting.
It's just this hole again, are you fucking...
Can I throw a ball at it?
No, I don't want you to hurt it.
Bye-bye, birdie. Watch out, watch out. I'm gonna get it.
No! Tara!
Hey. You want me to get the basketball?
I'm trying to help it. It's being a freaking biatch.
I got this.
I got it. I'm touching it. You idiot!
I think it was a proper name that we named it for.
Okay, come here. On the...
Why can't it fly up?
Because it's a baby.
Stupid baby. Uh-oh. Its claws are getting ready.
You wanna end the video?
No. This is funny.
I feel so bad.
It's getting ready to bite Jen.
I feel so bad.
Kill it!
Okay, the hole's right there. Tara, put your hand there to open the freaking hole.
It's gonna bite me!
No, it's not.
Its mouth is open. It's getting ready.
Keep going. Other way. Other way. Other way!
Stupid! So stupid.
Alright. Its name is Stupid Retarded Idiot Bird.
It's ready to fly! Oh! Dad, it's gonna get you! It's gonna get Jen. I'm gonna laugh. Come on, birdie. The hole is right there.
Oh!
It's gonna bite you. Jen, it really is gonna bite you.
Alright, right there.
Go! 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 Go in the... Can I kill it?
Blind.
No, it's not blind, Jen.
Are you a blind birdie?
Okay, its name is Stupid, Retarded,
Idiotic.
Blind Birdie.
Yes.
It might be deaf too. Guys, want to get a close look on it? When it comes
Here,
in
give me
here,
the camera.
I'll show you.
I'll show them a close picture.
No, no, when it comes here. Come on, Birdie. Come on. Chase it. Be its mother. Be its mother.
You have to be bird. All right, come on. Come on.
Slap your wings.
Flap your wings and take off through the hole.
Come on, Birdie. You got a mojo.
Yeah, swear to God, I'm gonna kill you. Should we get my mom?
No, hold the camera. I'm getting the basketball.
What? No!
I'm gonna get the basketball.
Tara, give me the camera. I'll get a close look on this thing. Alright, stop having some spasms and let's go. Go! Yes.
Are you taking pictures?
No, I'm trying to move this thing. Other way. No, I don't think a golf person's gonna help. Kara, please come. It's giving me a stare. It's probably gonna bite me. Give me the stick. Give me the stick. All right, switch. Camera for stick. Leg out.
Leg out. Push. Push, Fluffy, push.
Get on the stick. Holy shit, that thing has massive claws.
Ah!
Kara, you're safe from the freaking...
Yeah, I know.
Alright, get on the stick.
Jen, you're not safe at all.
I know. You want to get on the stick anytime soon, ma'am?
Ma'am, put it on your shoe. Maybe it likes color. Maybe it's colorblind.
I'm not getting my shoe infected with bird.
I know.
Okay, now it's chewing. Okay, go this way. On the leg.
Andale.
Move.
Can we teach you to speak Spanish? Wait, do you want me to?
You idiot.
Wait, do you want me to come on there and just leave the camera right here?
Espanol. Holy crap.
You not speak Espanol? You speak English?
Cat, turn off the video camera.
Why? Why?
Because then we'll upload it later. Because we need to get this.
Okay, Jen, say bye. Say bye, stupid, retarded, stupidic, blind, deaf birdie. And a goodbye from Kara. How do you shut this off?
Hand it.
Wait, did you just press
Yeah,
that?
just press that button.
Bye. Wait, everyone say bye to the birdie. Bye, birdie.